What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out and watch a movie.
Hey, people, Kiara here from iDigital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the all-in-one $25 digital business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. Now, the reason we promote the $25 business is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income, which is fantastic. And any affiliate marketer out there knows that that's a really good deal. And anybody just regular, hey, this is the best product to promote to get you into making money online. All right, guys. So anyway, if you guys are interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're gonna look at our results here and make sure we got a sale. It looks like we didn't get a sale, but we're gonna refresh the page and make sure these are real numbers, because I want you guys to know I'm not trying to trick you guys into thinking these ain't real numbers or something like that. All right. All right, guys, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. Totally fine. Now, the first thing we need to do for you guys, if you want to try this out, this method that I'm about to show you, is we need to get you your affiliate link so you can promote the product. All right, guys. So this is the one that these are all the links down here. It's a ton of them, and this is the one that I use in particular. If you guys are interested, all right, the all-in-one business. That's the one that I use in particular, but you can use any of these. It don't really matter that much. They promote different stuff. The only reason I use this product is because it promotes all the stuff in the system. All right. So what you want to do is go to my description there. You're gonna see income speaks. You click on it, it's gonna take you to a page look something like this. All right. This is basically the sales letter for the all-in-one business. What it talks about what it is, how much money you can make, blah blah blah, what it does, stuff there. But anyway, if you're interested in what it is in particular, it's a funnel builder. It's something like ClickFunnels, if you know what ClickFunnels is. And a funnel builder is basically like a bunch of web pages set up to get you to buy something like that. And they usually go for a much higher price than $25 a month. This is $25 a month. For example, like the most popular one out there, ClickFunnels, entry level, over $100 a month. That's entry level, guys. Which is insane. All right. So yeah, you can move here. Only $25 a month. That's the way to go. All right. So also I'll show you guys this. You can make $120 off of each customer every single month in this system, guys, which is absolutely insanity. I never heard of something like that before. Monthly payments, I never heard of that. I heard of it, but it usually be like really cheap. Like the highest before 80% recurring was like 40 or 40 or 30 or something like that. Never heard of like 80. All right, so this is what we're gonna do, guys. To look through the page here, they also get a charity if you're interested in that. And what we're gonna do when we decide we want to try this out, we're just gonna click on yes or want in. This is just a page you just put in all your information in, blah blah blah. You can get the product, boom. And one thing I want to show you guys is this right here. Now this is HBA Premium. Now what this would do, you get this product for free for 14 days if you use my link. And basically it's just teaching you how to promote the product. Like say what's working now, so they constantly update it, like with Facebook ads, Facebook groups, YouTube, TikTok, whatever, right? Just all kinds of stuff. And they just show you what's working on that right now, because it's constantly being updated. And you also get the immersion content creation machine. It's AI, uses AI to create content for you. You get that as well, like headlines, social media posts, emails, blah blah blah. You know what I mean? Whatever you needed to do, and you can get that 14 days free. Now the best part about this is that you can get a sale with this product, and you'll keep that $100 because this 14-day free trial, it'll act like you had a product. Okay, so make sure if you do get a sale, that's a fantastic situation there. So make sure to click on that as well, guys. All right, if you want to try that out, you can always opt out. All right, so now we've done that. Now I want to show y'all the method that I'm using, and it is the absolute easiest method I have found, guys. It ain't even close. This is so easy. All right, the easiest method I have found to make money online. Just gotta be consistent, but that's with everything with making money online. All right, so click on my second link in my description. It's gonna take you to a page look something like this. Now what this is my lead gen sequence, and what it does, it gives you 100 leads per day. All right, and you email them every day too. So, and they interested in making money. They cold leads, but they interested in making money. So you just email them. You make sure to stay consistent with it. All right. Go to the mailing system once you make your account, whatever. Select all your leads there, and then we're gonna select a email that ChatGPT has written for us, guys. If you look at the earlier copy, if you look at all my earlier videos on this, I showed you ChatGPT. I made all these with ChatGPT, and then like changed some stuff around to make it more accessible, and put it down. Right here on this one. Oh. Now all I did there, this is the email here. We're just gonna put our signature real quick. Photo. I just want to go and lock that in now. I don't know if it like that, so that's just a signature that I do. Put the photo in there, and yeah, that's the email there. So you're gonna hit perfect timing. That's gonna send the email, guys, around the time that people check their email. Right, so for example, check at 8 o'clock, it's sent at 8 o'clock. You know what I mean? So you'd be on top of the list. And what we're gonna do is preview here, and we're gonna make sure this link works, guys, but also give you guys a chance to copy this video. Copy this email if you want to copy this email. I don't really mind, just giving you a chance to do that. Pause the video if you want to, and copy the email. It's all good. This is the subject, this is the body if you want to copy it. All right, that's all there is to that. So anyway, guys, that's all there is. Finish there. Gonna send the email, and that's all there is to it. Now, like I stated before, guys, you want to make money online, you have to be consistent. That is the absolute most important part of making money online. Being consistent. Don't worry about if you can't figure out what to say or what to post. Post something, right? Post something. And I'll give you this information right now, based on my observation, my objective opinion, right? The best way to make money online right now is making shorts videos and posting on these particular sites in particular, and that is TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Post on those 3 sites. Make 3 accounts: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and post on all 3. Now you should post every single day. Make a TikTok. It don't have to be well edited. It don't have to be long and elusive or anything like that. Don't gotta be so, you don't have to have 1,000 cuts in it. You don't have to make a movie, guys. That's just anything. Post anything. It don't matter what it is. Post something, all right? Just make sure to post. And that's how you make money online, guys. You just gotta keep posting, all right? So that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.